Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell on markets.com. If you want to do this, create yourselves an account, and then after that we are here at primary. You will also find here favorites, but at primary you will see the screen that I'm seeing right now. So let's say we want to buy something, and in my opinion I want to buy Bitcoin. So I go to search and search for BTC. Then right now we click on Bitcoin, and now we can buy right here Bitcoin to US dollar. So what we're going to do is we click here on buy. Then right now select right here how many contracts you want to buy. So 0.05 is fine. This is the value. And then right now what we're going to do is we click right here on place new order. So right now we created ourselves a position, and if you go to portfolio, you will find right here at Bitcoin that we created ourselves a position. So this is first of all how we can buy. So if you want to sell, we go back, then search right here for Bitcoin again, Bitcoin, click here on sell, and then right now we can go right here to sell, select the quantity, and then we can click here on place new order. So right now we sold Bitcoin, and this is exactly how you can buy and sell right here on markets.com. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.